Before beginning the questions for pages 12 through 22 of Night by Elie Wiesel, please begin by putting both your name, first and last, and your homeroom at the top of your paper. This assignment is worth a total of 65 points. The directions for the comprehension questions ask you to answer the following questions after reading the pages of Night indicated above. All short answer and extended response questions must be answered in complete sentences. Question 1. How do they prepare for deportation? This question asks how Elie, his family, and the community prepare for being deported from Saget. Question 2. Why is there joy when the signal finally comes for them to leave? This takes place on page 16 of the memoir. If you're having trouble figuring out why there was joy, think about what their experience was like right before that signal came for them to leave. 3. How does Elie feel as he watches the procession or group of deportees? As people are leaving, Elie has some very strong emotions. These emotions are laid out for you in the text. Question 4 is a two-part question. It asks, who offers Elie and his family safety? Why don't they take it? In order to receive full credit, you must answer both parts of that question. Question 5. They spend 24 hours in a synagogue. What is it like? Give details. So I'm asking you, what is it like in the synagogue? Instead of just saying that it's good or it's bad, you need to give details about what the experience was like. 6. How are the Jews moved out of Saget? And 7. Why do you think no one tries to escape? Notice the words, why do you think? Because this question begins with the words, why do you think? You must look at the text, use your background knowledge, use your personal insights, and make a judgment about why no one tries to escape. Be sure to write in complete sentences and explain yourself.